How to fix Castle app not installing. So if you want to fix Castle app not installing on your iPhone or on your Android, then here's the fix. First, what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you have enough space to download the app. Or you can just simply go and refresh your network and restart your device. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Now you need to go to your settings and then check your storage. So scroll down and then you'll find general, go with general, go with iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage to download the application. If that doesn't fix, then you need to sign out and sign back into the App Store. To do that, you need to open up your App Store, go with the profile which is on the top and then just sign out and then again sign in. You can tap on your profile and you will find the sign out option. If you tap on your Apple account, once you sign in, try downloading the Castle app again. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then update your iOS version. Sometimes outdated software can cause installation issues. So you need to go with your settings and then go with general, and under general, you'll have software update option. Tap on software update and install any pending update. That's how you can fix Castle app not installing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.